Hi, I'm Matt with Synergy Manufacturing, and I'd like to introduce to you our heavy-duty steering kit for the 2005 to current Ford Super Duty platform. The Synergy tie rod is made from 1 3/4 4130 heat-treated chromoly steel. It is cut, bent, welded, and assembled right here in the USA. We heat treat all of our tie rods in order to increase their yield strength. What this means for you is that if you abuse it, you bend it, push it into a rock, it'll bend back all on its own. Our heavy-duty tie rod is a bit larger than the stock diameter tie rod, and the stock tie rod clears the stock differential cover. But a lot of people like to run aftermarket differential covers. We realized this, and we made it so that this larger diameter bar will still clear the larger cooling fins of an aftermarket differential cover as well. The drag link is made from 1.5 inch quarter wall DOM steel tubing, and just like the tie rod, everything here is done in the USA. When we designed this drag link, we also developed a new forging that allows you to retain the stock steering stabilizer, but it is still compatible with most aftermarket steering stabilizers as well. With this drag link, if you loosen the pinch bolt and rotate the tie rod end 180 degrees, it is now compatible with the earlier generation 2005 to 2016 Ford Super Duty trucks. The other key point to this drag link is the bend on the axle side. The stock drag link is straight, pitman arm all the way down to the knuckle. We put a bend to clear the sway bar. This is done so that if you have a lifted vehicle, an aftermarket sway bar, or a sway bar drop kit, you have plenty of clearance for the suspension to articulate. What makes this steering so special is our tie rod ends. The Synergy tie rod ends are sintered metal bearings with larger diameter than stock ball studs that are made out of chromoly steel and heat treated. All this results in a larger diameter housing to accommodate the larger internals, resulting in a much stronger than stock setup on your vehicle. There you have it, the 2005 to current Synergy heavy-duty steering kit for the Ford Super Duty platform. For more information on this product or other products, visit us at synergymfg.com.